Hello and welcome to the Twisted Kitchen with Keto Simple. I'm Granny June, and today we'll be introducing you to some of the most scrumptious keto recipes available. So, lean in close and pay attention, dear. Today we are going to be making zucchini crusted pizza. The ingredients you will need for this delicious dish are listed in the description, but as always, we are going to reveal them together. So we are going to need 2 large eggs, lightly beaten, 2 cups of shredded zucchini, squeezed dry, a half a cup of shredded part-skim mozzarella cheese, a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a quarter cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of minced fresh basil, 1 teaspoon of minced fresh thyme. Now for the toppings, you can use anything you like, so here are just a couple suggestions. 1 jar of roasted sweet red peppers, julienned, 1 cup of shredded part-skim mozzarella cheese, or a half a cup of sliced turkey pepperoni. That's all of the ingredients. Now put on your aprons and let's get started. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 450 degrees. We're going to mix the first 8 ingredients together. We're going to transfer that to a 12-inch pizza pan or whatever you have laying around. And we're going to coat it generously with some cooking spray. We're going to spread that mixture to an 11-inch circle or whatever shape you happen to be using. Now before we continue, just a reminder to hit that good old subscribe button and notification bell for Granny. Let's finish up. We're going to bake that mixture until it's light golden brown. It's about 13 to 16 minutes. We're going to reduce our oven setting to 400 degrees, and we're going to add those toppings. We're going to bake until the cheese is melted, which is about 10 to 12 minutes longer. And that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now this recipe will be listed in the description along with the nutritional facts. So until next time, keep those aprons ready.